opening this during my work shifts. Don't tell anyone. Oh, my first Ratatouille one. Pretty exciting, I'll say. I wanted this one so bad. Me and my sister did. So cute. What the frick? Honestly, that's one of the best movies ever. Cute. So pretty. Oh god. Okay. I do not have this one. I don't have any of these. Got an exclusive. It's a good box so far. And we have one left. Wow, no doubles. Let's see what's rare. Got the special edition one. Common one. Another common. Ultra rare Cinderella. And let's see what Cusco is. Cusco is common. Keeping that one anyway.